We're here with Michael Williams at the Jamaican Consulate. He's showcasing natural fountain juices. Tell us about this, Michael. What's going on here at the Heritage Awards?
Yeah, we are here at the Heritage Award. We the sole juice provider, if you will. Natural fountain juices is providing the beverages for the guests at the Heritage Award at the Consulate. You know, we're here to on an invitation from the Consul General. So we just get to showcase our juice.
And what flavors are you showcasing here today?
Showcasing the ginger beer, sorrel, fruit punch.
Okay.
All right, so those are only the 3 flavors out of 5 that we're showcasing today.
Look like you have a lot of customers
Yeah,
here.
we have a lot of people coming through and testing. Just to testing the juice, so what it's like. We've been getting a lot of thumbs up so far.
Right.
And I'm sure as the night progresses, we're going to keep on getting thumbs up.
How do you feel about being here at the Consulate showcasing your juices to the Jamaican diaspora?
Well, it's an honor and a privilege to be at the Consulate.
Yeah?
You know, anything have to do with our Jamaican community, we take pride in coming out and showcase the juice. You know, so for us here tonight,
Right.
we're honored to be here, and we're just embracing the invitation, and people just coming up and testing the juice, and everybody love it so far. We're showcasing the fruit punch, sorrel, which is, some people say it's seasonal this time of year from the beginning of November to about the end of February. We always showcase the sorrel, which is a big hit. It's almost finished already, and we're showcasing the popular ginger beer as well. So, you know, we're here just having some fun and meeting some new people, trying to get
Some more customers.
umbrella wider, to get our numbers from 50 to 60 to 70.
Right.
So we're just having some fun, and we're happy to be here, happy to provide the juices to our Jamaican counterparts, and we're going to be here for the entire night.
Okay, well, thank you for being here.
Yes, sir.